Mandala 4, red birds. For those of you who don't know, red birds are cardinals. In astrology, the cardinal signs are the signs at the beginning of the season. The cardinal points are the equinoxes, which are March 21st and September 21st, and the solstices, which are June 21st and December 21st. These are the cardinal points, very powerful days. The church takes much of its language directly from astrology, because astrology is before the church. So you have cardinals that are very powerful in astrology, and then the cardinals elect the Pope. You have deacons, or sections of 10 degrees, so 3 deacons within each sign. You have deacons in the church. You have the monastery, the moon and starry, the pastor, or the pa star, the father star. Regardless, you have red birds.